In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your front bumper on your Kia Soul. It's located on the front of the car. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to take off our wheel. Sometimes the wheels get stuck and you got to hit them with a rubber mallet to get them off, like that. We're going to take out these 3 grommets, and then we're going to go underneath and take out a couple under there. Using a Phillips head bit on my drill, we can take these 3 out. Now let's go underneath. Let's take out these 2 on the bottom. Sometimes you gotta put pressure on it in order to get that center part out. Now you can peel that away. Now we can peel this away and just tuck it behind your wheel. Do the same on the other side. Remove your 4 grommets. Here, 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 and there. If you have a few that got stuck in there, they'll come out once you pull down on this. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to take out this bolt here. Do the same on the other side. Use a 10mm socket and remove this bolt and also the one on the other side. I'm going to use a Phillips head to remove these 4 grommets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm using a Phillips head. Take out this grommet as well so you can leave yourself some room. Now you can move this out of the way and just put it off to the side. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to take out these 2 bolts. Now we're going to take out this bolt using a 12mm socket. Push down on this tab and pull out. Set that aside. Using a long flat trim tool, you're going to slide it underneath the headlight and pull out. There's an extra step on this side, the driver's side for the headlight, and that's to remove this diagnosis plug. So you're going to use some needle nose, and you're going to push the ears together and push it out of its holder. Like that. And then you're going to need a trim tool and then release that harness from the headlight as well. There we go. And now we can remove the headlight. So pull up, make sure you have a knee on this side to hold your bumper, because now it's just going to come right off. There you go. So as you can see, this is where the screw was, and then there's tabs that are underneath that stick through, which is why you got to pull up. These are the tabs. So when you pull up, it releases them from there. Let's install our bumper. You're going to line it up as best you can so that it kind of just hangs there for a minute. And now we're going to slowly and carefully line everything up on the sides and attach this piece onto the vehicle. I'm going to slide it in. Should pop in like that, and then work your way to the other side. Once you have both of those sides in, everything else should line up where it needs to be. Make sure these clips are on top of this piece of the bumper. Let's put our air duct in here. I'm going to slide it down, line it up in the bottom, and push down. Once you push down, it will line up here. And we're going to put our plastic grommets in. You can continue putting these three in. And now we're going to put our bolts in. There's one on this side and one on the other side. Tighten these two down. You're going to line up these with these pieces on your headlight. Make sure you slide it in before bolting it down. To do that, you're going to position it down, tilt it a little bit. And then push it in, and it should be ready to go for your bolts. So you have a big bolt and two small ones. The big bolt goes up here. Start that by hand. and the two small ones go here. Just tighten these down. Go another quarter turn after it's tight. And then tighten that one. Do the same on the other side. Now we can plug in our headlights. Make sure you hear that click. Make sure it's on tight. Anytime you take out your headlights assembly and put it back in, you're going to want to make sure that your headlights are still in line where they need to be. If you need to adjust them, your adjuster's right here. For this side, we're going to plug it in. And there is 3 grommets that go into the headlight assembly. 2 up here and 1 below. Place your grommet in, line up the hole. Once you get that in, you're going to put your center part in, and I'll lock it in. There are 4 of these. Make sure you do it here, 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 and here. We're going to line things up. Tuck it in where it needs to be. I'm going to kind of hunt for that hole over here. There it is. And I'm going to put my fastener in there. Once you get that in place, it makes it a little easier. And now we're going to go for this one. Just right there. And now we'll do this one here. Make sure you push this in so that this lip on the bumper is on top of it. Things should line up nicely now. You can put your plastic grommet here. Make sure everything lines up underneath and put your plastic grommets in. There's only 2 of them. Now you're going to put your screw in here and tighten it down. Do the same for the other side. Going to install our wheel. Start your lug nuts by hand. You're going to tighten up the lug nuts in a star-like pattern. Starting at the bottom, you're going to walk the wheel on. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to torque our wheels to 80 foot-pounds in a star-like pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.